Okay, like we said in our linked list, احنا قلنا our element is this thing called a node. يعني let's represent that as a struct or a class, whatever you want. Let me go like this so you can see. Okay, احنا قلنا one node contains, oops. Okay, we said one node contains data and next. Let's make it a struct. نسميها node. Okay. Okay, and then we said it has data, and data can be of any type. But for this sake, let's make احنا قلنا عايزين character, a linked list that contains characters. So let's do car data. So you have that. طبعا I forgot the syntax for a struct. Okay, and we have our pointer to a node. A pointer to another node. بسيطة. Node pointer next. That's what we have. So we have data. Okay, we did data and we did next. Else. Let's give this a constructor just so that it can be easy to make. Oh, actually, you know what? مش لازم. Let's not do that. Okay, our linked list will be a class. Okay, a car linked list. Okay. I also want to show you guys Batul name. Let me show you that you can make things without knowing the syntax like me by just asking it to do a class name called car linked list. Instant variables, let's give our, even though they're private by default, so let's give the private. Right, okay. When you're making a linked list, في برضو شوية some important things we need to note. Remember احنا قلنا we have to, in order to use a linked list, like to access our elements, we have to traverse. We can't just access elements. But think about it. If I want to move across this linked list, يعني given in an عندي pointer, how am I going to get from the first element to the last one? I probably need يعني هكون عايزة أعرف where I start my head pointer, وبعدين عايزة أشوف مثلا like this node. Remember this is an entire node. فهقول d dot next هروح لدي. That's how I'm gonna traverse. I need a starting point.